I think I am like most parents who would like their children to learn to eat a variety of foods. The sweet and sour fish, a classic of Chinese gastronomy, is one of dishes that make even the most resistant love fish. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by marinating 350 grams of fillet fish. Remove the bones. Cut it in 2 pieces. Put them in a bowl. Grate a piece of ginger. Take 1 teaspoon. Put it with the fish. Then add half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of salt, some ground pepper, and 1 teaspoon of shaoxing cooking wine. Mix and let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Also take another teaspoon of ginger and keep aside. Chop 5 cloves of garlic. Put them with the ginger. Cut in 2 pieces 1 onion, 1 chili, 1/4 of pineapple. Pineapple brings acidity and fruitiness. It goes well with fish. Also cut 100 grams of cherry tomatoes in half and 5 grams of cilantro in sections. Now, prepare the sweet and sour sauce. In a bowl, put 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 15 centiliters of water, a pinch of salt, and some ground pepper. Combine. Preheat the frying oil to 150 degrees Celsius. When the oil is hot, add 1 egg white in the fish marinade and 50 grams of cornstarch. Mix all together. Put the fish piece by piece into the oil. Detach the pieces. Let them fry for 7 minutes. Take them out and let them drain. In a pan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, put the grated ginger and the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time. When they start to be golden, add the onion and the chili. Stir for 20 seconds. Add the pineapple and the cherry tomatoes. Stir another 20 seconds. Then add the sweet and sour sauce. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. All the flavors combine and the sauce thickens. Add the fish pieces. Stir for 15 seconds. Put the cilantro. Briefly stir. Cut the fire. The sweet and sour fish is ready. We enjoy it with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! With the marinade, the pieces of fish have a good taste. The starch and the egg whites provided a crust that doesn't soften in contact with the sauce. It also prevents the fish from hardening during cooking. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.